Hello, beautiful people. Hello. I'm very excited today because it finally came. It didn't actually take too long. It actually took like 6 work days to get here. I've been wanting to build one of these for like a long time. I'm kind of nervous, but okay. Anyway, let's get into the build. So, how beautiful is this? Tell me. How beautiful. It's an actual case. It comes in a case, guys. It comes in a case. It's so nice. So, let's see what we have here. I'm so excited. I'm actually like a child. Like an actual child. Okay, so we have a braided USB cable. Oh, and it's so soft on the inside. It's actually made of that kind of material that, you know, it screams high quality. We'll actually see what we have in here, and then we were gonna talk about it a little bit more, of the price, and what kind of level this is. So we have the special screw that we're gonna use to screw the case together, and a lot of hardware. We'll check them out in a bit. Some more hardware and some stabilizers, and the case itself. I don't know about you, but there's something about building a keyboard that makes my heart tingle. I don't know. It's soothing for the soul. Okay, so we have the purple color. It is made from ABS plastic. It is very pretty, very pretty. Last but not least, we have a PCB foam. And we have the polycarbonate plate, which is, you know, it's flexible and it produces a lower frequency sound. We have a very nice and classy silicone dampener. Really nice stuff, really nice stuff. The hot swap PCB, that's a nice looking PCB, isn't it? It has south-facing LEDs, so no interference with Cherokee profile keycaps. It's so soft. I can't get over it. So let's talk about price and what level is the KBD67 Lite. It's in a 65% layout. It is one of the best and affordable, budget-friendly entry-level keyboards out there. It starts from $110, and for everyone out there that you are living in Europe, if you want one, you have to deal with the very high fees for transportation from USA. Or, for example, if you order it from KBD Fund's actual original site, you're gonna have to pay like $40, €40. There are some vendors that are in Europe, and one of them, not a sponsored video, I'm just super excited about it. It's Keyboard. Though, where I bought this particular kit. They're based in Europe, Germany. It arrived here in Greece in 6 days with DHL. The transportation cost around €10, which is fucking awesome. And with import taxes and all that, it came up to $130. So $20 for taxes, fees, and transportation. It's pretty good. I'm actually very excited about Keyboard. Of course, there are other vendors out there that can do the same thing, but I trust Keyboard because I ordered something, it came in time, and I'm actually promoting them. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, but I want to get the word out there. If you are a custom keyboard enthusiast and you would like to purchase something that's out there in like China or USA, vendors like Keyboard might have what you want, and you will not have to pay $40 for transportation. I'm actually gonna go and check out a guide because I don't wanna anything. I don't want to do anything to it, but let's do the stabilizers first. So, stabilizers. Yeah, these are the cherry stems and these are the housings. What we're gonna do, we are going to first open them.
Well, duh.
Clip them, loop them, assemble them and put them into the, screw them onto the PCB. Now, if you don't know what any of what I said means, don't worry, we got you. Okay, so how to clip your stabilizers. Basically, these are the housings and these are the stems. So we basically, you see this little guy right here? We have to clip that because it can actually damage the stabilizer while you use it after a long time. Well, after that, the thing is that it produces a very unpleasant sound. So we are going to clip everything with our nail clipper. We have to clip both the pointy thingies. And we're left with two. We have to do it for all the stabilizers now. I'm super excited for this because it's an experience, you know. It's actually an experience building your own custom keyboard, because it's okay if you buy something, you know, pre-built. It's actually very nice. If it sounds nice and it feels nice, it's a good buy. But the thing is that when you actually build your own, you care for it more, don't you think? You make sure it's clean, you actually enjoy it more because you've worked for it. And I don't know, it's like, for me personally, because that's one of the reasons I'm actually into the hobby of building custom mechanical keyboards. It's actually soothing for my soul. I don't know why, it's so stress relieving. For me, especially when I lube switches or when I do this kind of work, yeah, it's actually very stress relieving. You have to focus on something, and right now it's the first time I've actually done this kind of content, you know, actually talking to you guys. I'm actually enjoying it. I actually do. If you enjoy it, yeah, okay. I'm not gonna cut this because if it would be live, we would have these kind of mistakes. But if you actually enjoy it as much as I do, drop a like, subscribe, because, you know, we're just having fun here. So we clipped our stabilizers. They're ready. Now it is time to lube them up. I'm actually putting this on because we're gonna lube them up with some Krytox 205 grade 0. Basically, it's some kind of grease that produces a very pleasant, when you do it to your switches or your stabilizers, it takes away the rattle. I'm gonna put a video for reference here. Nope. If you wanna know more about how to assemble your stabilizers and how to lube them and the whole tutorial, let me know in the comments. At this point, I sped run through the process of clipping, lubing and assembling the stabilizers, placing the rubber pads and O-ring like thingies where the stubs are going to be screwed in. Lastly, I actually screwed in the stabilizers. Yeah, I think it is. We place it here nice and gently. Now it's time for the polycarbonate plate. Okay, so now we installed the bottom foam. Actually, before we do that, we have to screw it in. This is an electric screwdriver. It's a wow stick. You can find it the link in the description down below. And now everything is screwed in together. Now we put the bottom foam. Now we can put in our switches. So for this build, we will go with one of my actual favorite switches. They are the ACO sponge switch with the double tactile response. Okay, so we are done with the switches and it is time for us to move into the actual plate. Now, for us, in order to put this in, we have to unscrew it with our special KBD fans screwdriver. Yay, we did it. Yay. Okay, so screws on the side. This is a gasket mounted keyboard, which means that we have gaskets. They go around the top case. far so good. Let's flip it over. And it's ready. It is. Let's see a side profile. It's pretty light. It is pretty light, I'm not gonna lie. Nice. Okay, let's put some keycaps on. Oh no, we have the rubber feet. Yep. These little guys. I don't know if you can see them. As for the keycaps, we will be using the Tang Dynasty Purple OEM PBD keycaps. And finally, we have the KBD67 Lite R4. Let's take a look. Ah, this thing is so good. It's so good. Ooh. For unlooped switches, and stock stabilizers. That is not bad. The sound is very clear. It's very clear and poppy with those switches. If these are lubed, oh my god, it's gonna be great. But yes, this is the KBD67 Lite. A very, very, very fun to build experience, I might say. I see why it's one of the best out there. And let's actually see the RGB. Wow! Wow! That is some bright RGB! Wow! And it's nice too, it's smooth. It is so smooth. So, this is it. I'm gonna leave you with the B-roll and I will see you in the next one. If you enjoyed the process and the actual video, let's hang around more. I will see you in the next one.